The new car has launched a total of 2 configuration models. The price of the manual version is 299,800 yuan. In terms of appearance, the Subaru BRZ STI Sport mainly continues the overall style design of the current BRZ by adding STI-specific exterior accessories. The new front grille STI logo and STI tail logo further strengthen the sports model style and are equipped with a black color. The shark fin antenna and black electric folding rearview mirrors, paired with 18-inch dark aluminum alloy wheels, make the appearance more sporty. The interior adopts Bordeaux red sports style. In addition to the seats made of Oswell material, the one-button start button with the STI logo and the STI-specific color LCD instrument panel with multi-information display present a strong sports car atmosphere. In terms of power, it is equipped with a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated boxer engine with a maximum power of 234 horsepower and a maximum torque of 250 Nm. In terms of transmission system, it has a 6-speed manual transmission. Among them, the EyeSight driving assistance system is added to the manual version for the first time. The chassis adopts a McPherson strut at the front and a double wishbone independent suspension at the rear. Its front shock absorber is equipped with a frequency-sensitive shock absorber, SFRD, produced by Hitachi Ansteimer, which can automatically adjust the damping according to the vehicle's vibration frequency.